welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you how you can send bulk emails to all your real estate leads. So to do this, you have to open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in that browser. And we're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you're going to see that you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for the application using which we are collecting our real estate leads. So I use housing.com to collect the details of my own real estate leads, so I'm just going to select the same. If you use 99 acres or Magic Bricks, the process is exactly the same. Just see. For the event, you have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. You just have to change the trigger application, rest the process is same. You're going to receive this webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, copy this webhook URL and configure it in your account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from housing.com, and your integration will be activated by their team only. Because housing.com portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface, so you have to reach out someone from the backend team of housing.com or your account manager from housing.com and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically the lead details will be started capturing over here as webhook response. So I've already added this webhook URL in my housing.com account, so let's capture the lead details. The procedure is exactly the same for 99 acres and Magic Bricks too. You just have to change this trigger application from here. So let's capture this webhook response. As you can see that we have successfully captured this webhook response, you're going to see all the details of my lead. And now I'm going to send them an email. For that, let's close this, and then we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gmail and select Gmail right over here. For the event, you have to select it as send email and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, so click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. After we select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions, so click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. So let's enter these details one by one. For the sender's name, I'm going to keep it as Prime Properties, which is the name of my own real estate agency. I'm going to select the sender's email address. Now let's move on further. I'm going to enter this recipient email address, but we are not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So after entering this email address, it is asking me for CC, BCC and reply to. So all of these three are not required. If you wish, you can definitely fill it out. The next is this email subject. So let's enter the email subject, and over here I'm going to map the name of my lead so that we can send personalized emails to all our leads. So the subject is thank you for contacting Prime Properties new lead. Now it is asking me for the email content. So let's enter the email content right over here. So I want to send HTML emails which are advanced emails. So I'm just going to enter the HTML email content over here, and now I'm just going to map the details in this content too. If you wish to send plain emails, you can definitely enter the plain email content too, no need to worry. Now over here I'm just going to map all of these details one by one. So as you can see that I've successfully mapped this name which was dynamic. And after entering this email content, let's move on further. It is saying email content type, so it is HTML, so I'm just going to select it. And if you also wish to generate this HTML email content, you can use any AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini and generate this template where you can only map the lead's name and it will run for all the leads you receive because we have mapped the lead's name and it has turned dynamic. For the table, I'm going to select it as inbox. Now it is asking me for the file name. So if you wish to send a brochure of your company, then you can definitely attach a file right over here by attaching the URL and the file name right over here. And same goes for the signature. So after doing all of this, click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, we have successfully sent this mail. So let's open our Gmail right from here, and I'm just going to refresh this inbox. and you're going to see we have received the new mail. So let's open it, and you're going to see it is saying welcome to Prime Properties. Hi new lead, thank you for showing interest in Prime Properties. And as you can see over here is the whole mail, and with this we have successfully received this mail, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow too. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from housing.com, or you can create this for any another real estate platform too, like 99 acres or Magic Bricks. So whenever you're going to receive a new real estate lead, automatically a mail something like this will be sent towards that lead, and all of this is going to happen in backend. You don't have to come back in again to your workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create this for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.